Designed for sublimation printed fabrics, the large vision-guided laser cutting machine combines advanced vision recognition, automatic edge tracking, and precision laser cutting technology to deliver efficient and accurate contour cutting for wide-format sublimation production. The large vision system automatically recognizes printed patterns and generates accurate cutting paths without manual alignment. An optional Canon industrial camera with an 8mm lens and 20-megapixel resolution provides clear image recognition and precise cutting performance. The dual-head asynchronous cutting system allows two laser heads to work independently, improving production efficiency and meeting the needs of high-volume manufacturing. The continuous roll-to-roll feeding system ensures stable fabric transport, reducing manual intervention and improving production efficiency for continuous operation. The machine supports a wide range of configuration options to meet different production requirements. It is available in single beam single head, double beam double head, and dual head asynchronous configurations, providing flexible output capacities for various production needs. Multiple machine sizes are available. Supports fabric cutting up to 5 mm thickness. The machine comes standard with stepper motors, while servo motors are available as an upgrade for higher precision, enhanced stability, and a maximum operating speed of up to 600 mph. An optional fume extractor is available to effectively remove smoke and particles generated during laser cutting, helping maintain a cleaner and more comfortable working environment. With its intelligent vision guidance, flexible configurations, and high-speed precision cutting, Sublistar large vision-guided laser cutting machine is widely used in sublimation applications, including sportswear, flags, plush toys, apparel, home textiles, and more. Sublistar provides a smarter and more efficient automated solution for modern sublimation production.